And one more. You can do it, Sue. A little bit more. And two. Sue, you're a really bad bodybuilder.
Yeah, but I am the greatest crafter.
Sue, you'd better rest after such a hard workout.
Very funny. And you better help me with the craft.
I'm coming.
Hey guys! Are you ready to make the coolest ever Spider-Man?
Spider-Man? Awesome! Oh, why is he the coolest one?
Because he can do pull-ups endlessly.
Oh, just like you, but reversed.
Maybe my hands aren't very good at pull-ups, but they were made for crafting.
Oh, so serious.
Yes, Sammy, I seriously don't like all these hard workouts. Well, guys, our Spider-Man's head is ready, but it still needs some decorations.
Shoo, do you know the difference between an ordinary and a Minecraft Spider-Man?
The Minecraft one is square-shaped?
Yes, but no.
Oh, well then, I kinda know and I don't.
Okay, I'll tell ya. The Minecraft Spider-Man is immortal, while the ordinary one always risks his life.
Oh, but also an ordinary Spider-Man falls in love with Mary Jane.
But Minecraft Spider-Man really can do pull-ups endlessly.
Sammy, don't go there. And Spider-Man's head is done.
So, just do several pull-ups and it'll be impossible to stop.
Guys, it's hard to believe, isn't it?
Just imagine sweat running down your forehead. Your body's exhausted. You can't even drink water because of the muscle tremors.
Oh, Sammy, you're the worst coach motivator ever.
It's not true. It's just you're too lazy for sports.
I'm lazy, seriously? Laziness and I are on opposite sides of the universe.
Then why can't you even try? It's laziness for sure.
I don't believe in laziness.
That's too much, Sue.
I'm serious. If you really want to do something, you'll do it, no matter what. But if you don't want to do something, you'll find 1,000 reasons why you shouldn't do it.
That's too complicated for me.
Okay. Would you be lazy if I said that there's Nutella in the kitchen waiting for you?
Nutella!
Guys, while Sammy's rummaging through the kitchen, we're finishing our Spider-Man's body. He'll be very strong and wear his signature costume, of course.
So, now I get it. You just don't like sports.
No, I like it, but not those hard workouts and stuff like that. I prefer things like tennis or dancing. Those are totally my physical activities. Guys, do you already know what we're making now? I can give you a hint. There'll be 2 of them, and they'll be very strong and not suitable for pull-ups.
So, you don't need outside motivation to go dancing?
Yep, I'll do everything just to go to dance or tennis lessons, but the hardest thing is to choose between them. But wait, why can't I do both? Guys, check out our Spider-Man's strong legs! What's so funny? Any superhero has to have strong legs to save the world.
Stu, your hate for pull-ups made you forget about Spider-Man's arms.
Actually, I didn't forget about them. I just saved them for later.
Thumbs up if you don't believe Sue either.
This arm looks pretty strong.
We'll check it with some pull-ups. Hope he can do at least 3 of them.
He'll do 33 pull-ups. No, 333 pull-ups.
Is he a Spider-Man or a pull-up man?
Who says he can't be both?
Yeah, he can be called either one.
So, if you were a superhero, what power would you like to have?
The power of awesomeness for sure! That way I can make everything around me awesome!
You'd be an extraordinary superhero. Marvel would be amazed.
Hey, I just realized that I already have the awesomeness power! I make awesome crafts, and these awesome crafts create awesomeness around themselves!
Oh, really? And I just watched you doing awesome crafts. Perfect.
So, I mean we're a team like Batman and Robin.
No, you got it all wrong. We're a team, but like 2 Spider-Men.
Cool. I'll be a Minecraft one then.
As you wish. Spider-Man is one of my favorite movies, so I'll enjoy being just a regular one. One last touch. Well, guys, we finished our PullUp SpiderMan.
So now we need to make a pull-up bar.
Right, Sammy. Now we're gonna make street lamps. With them, our Spider-Man can work out even at night.
So it's genius!
A night workout? Actually, mornings are way better, because after waking up, you're full of energy and motivation.
Nope, I've decided that my superpower is knowing everything about Marvel.
Okay, cool. But how will you use it? Because your power must bring something good to others, the same way our street lamp will help Spider-Man.
Well, I can be a Marvel scientist.
Great idea! Your science can be called Marvelology. The lamp is done, now let's make a lamppost.
I have another idea. I'll make films about Marvel.
Well, you should start with a scenario then.
Amateur.
Sammy, that's a known fact. The filmmaking process starts with a scenario.
Yes, but all professionals know that a good movie demands a big amount of money. So first, I should find a good producer for my movie. Right.
Sammy, I don't want to upset you, but good movies don't always need a ton of money. Wow, guys, now let's bring our street lamp to life. You better ask an adult to help you with this part of the craft.
Shoo, that's a romantic dream that art doesn't need money.
Face the facts, Sam. Nowadays, the movie industry spends way more money on advertising for the movies than on the movie-making process itself.
Maybe, but that's not true for Marvel movies.
That's exactly true about Marvel movies. Don't you know that the main source of Marvel's income comes from selling stuff that was shown in the movies? I'm telling you, it's true.
No way. I must think about that.
Well, I'm glad that daydreaming didn't distract you from crafting.
I can craft in my sleep.
Our street lamps are ready, and now we'll make the base for the whole construction. And the base will also be made in Minecraft style.
Shoo, maybe you are right. Movie quality does depend on a good scenario.
But not only that, Sam, there's a lot of factors.
For example, the director's talent.
Sammy, a movie is usually made by a huge film crew. Actors, operators, film editors, script writers.
So what? I'll pay them really well.
All of these people's work affects the film's quality. A good movie is a result of great teamwork. We finished the main part of our craft. Now we need to attach the wires to the battery.
Shoo, I've got an extra superpower! I can predict what we need for the craft.
And you'll do it in a flash. Let's check out how it works. We turn it on. Ta-da! The light is so bright.
Whoa, so cool! Now our Spider-Man won't fear anything, but wait, he's a superhero anyway.
Yeah, Sammy, superheroes are very valiant, but not as valiant as you.
The valiant super slime will protect the world!
With you, we have everything under control.
Don't forget to make things neat. I'm watching you.
Sammy, how can I not make it neat?
Fine. I was just testing you.
More like teasing me. All right, this part's done.
Shoo, it's workout time! I can't wait to see our Spider-Man pull up!
Sammy, I've just understood the power of motivation.
Did I motivate you to create a new Marvel movie?
Nope, while making this craft, I decided to try pull-ups once again.
Cool! I'm sure you'll do it this time.
Thank you, but I'm also sure that my second try will be much better. But first, I want to be inspired by our Spider-Man. By the way, I haven't seen you working out for a long time.
Actually, I see myself more like a coach. You know, motivating stuff and,
And you'll be working out with me or with our Spider-Man. You can even set a competition with him.
I don't need that. Just check out my six-pack abs. Oops.
So you want to leave me alone in this tough world of sport?
No way. I'm Sammy, the greatest coach, and I'll provide the greatest emotional support during these tough pull-ups.
Oh, thank you so much. Our coolest PullUp SpiderMan is ready. He's awesome, isn't he? Now let's see him in action.
Whoa, Suey's awesome! Let's set a competition!
Great idea, Sammy, but I'll be doing push-ups. I guess I'll go train a little.
Guys, don't go away. Here comes the most interesting part. Are you ready? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, Sue. 6, 7. Guys, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to support Susie's progress. Bye-bye.